During World War II, British Royal Air Force pilots were given a small handful of bilberry jam before every nighttime mission over the English Channel. Their commanders had noticed something the rest of us would not study seriously for another 40 years. The pilots who ate the berries had measurably better night vision in low-light conditions, sharper detail, faster recovery from the bright flash of anti-aircraft fire. That observation, made in the cockpits of Spitfires above the Channel in 1942, is the same observation I want to talk to you about today, because what those pilots stumbled onto by accident is something every adult past 60 should know. Not for night flying, but for protecting the eyesight that lets you read the morning paper, recognize a grandchild's face across a crowded room, and drive home from dinner after dark. There's a woman I see twice a year. Her name is Carol. She's 67. She taught second grade in the same district for 31 years before she retired 3 years ago. Last October, her ophthalmologist used a phrase that scared her in a way no health phrase had ever scared her before. He said the words early macular degeneration. That was the appointment that brought her into my office. 12 months later, after one specific change to what she ate at night, the same ophthalmologist looked at her retinal scan and used 2 words Carol did not expect to hear: no progression. The change wasn't a new prescription, it wasn't surgery, it was a half cup of frozen blueberries, eaten about an hour before she went to bed, every single night. I want to walk you through why that small change does what it does, because the science here is genuinely surprising, and the timing matters more than the food itself. Let me start with the numbers, since they explain why this matters specifically for adults past 60. According to the National Eye Institute, by the time an American reaches age 75, roughly half of us have a cataract. That's the cloudy lens you can sometimes see from across a room when light hits it the wrong way. Age-related macular degeneration is the leading cause of permanent vision loss in adults over 60. Glaucoma destroys the optic nerve quietly, often without any warning symptom until significant damage is already done. And diabetic retinopathy progresses slowly enough that millions of seniors lose meaningful vision before they realize it has been happening. Eye disease in older adults is rarely a sudden event. It's a slow accumulation of oxidative damage over decades. Here is the part most doctors do not have time to explain in a 15-minute appointment. Your retina is technically brain tissue. It's an extension of your central nervous system, embedded at the back of your eye. Like every other part of the brain, it does the majority of its cellular repair work during sleep, specifically between roughly 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. When you are in the deepest stages of sleep, your body releases its highest levels of growth hormone and melatonin. That's the repair window. Whatever nutrients are circulating in your bloodstream during that window get pulled directly into the cells that need them. So when I tell you to eat blueberries before bed, I'm not making a folk recommendation. I'm telling you that the protective compounds in blueberries, and there are 5 major ones working together, are most useful to your eyes during the 4-hour window your eyes are repairing themselves. Eat them with breakfast and the same compounds get diluted across the demands of an active body, blue light exposure, stress, digestion of larger meals. Eat them an hour before bed and they're concentrated in your bloodstream during the exact moment the retina needs them. Here is what makes blueberries unusual. Most foods are good for 1 or 2 things. Blueberries are good for 5 at once. They contain anthocyanins, the deep purple pigment that gives them their color. And the concentration is among the highest of any food on Earth. Anthocyanins improve blood flow to the retina and help regenerate a pigment called rhodopsin that your rod cells use to see in dim light. That's the compound the British pilots were unknowingly loading up on. Blueberries also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that deposit directly into the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision, where they act as internal sunglasses, filtering blue light and neutralizing the free radicals that damage photoreceptor cells. They contain vitamin C, which, as it happens, is concentrated in the fluid inside the eye at the highest levels of any tissue in your body. And they contain a compound called pterostilbene, closely related to resveratrol, that reduces inflammation in the small blood vessels of the retina. That's the part that matters most for people with diabetes, which I'll come back to in a moment. The landmark research on this is the AREDS-2 study, the Age-Related Eye Disease Study, second iteration, conducted by the National Eye Institute. AREDS-2 followed thousands of older adults and tracked dietary intake against macular degeneration progression. Higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin was significantly associated with reduced risk of advanced disease. Separately, studies published in the journal Nutrients and in Clinical Ophthalmology have shown anthocyanins and bilberry extract reducing eye fatigue, improving contrast sensitivity, and supporting retinal blood flow in subjects studied for as little as 4 weeks. Carroll's protocol was simple. Half a cup of frozen wild blueberries blended into a small, unsweetened almond milk smoothie with a handful of spinach about an hour before bed. We did not change her medications, did not start any supplement. The blueberries were the central change. Her ophthalmologist's no progression finding 12 months later doesn't prove the blueberries reversed anything. That's not what the research supports. What it supports is that consistent nighttime intake of the right food can meaningfully slow the rate of progression in early disease. Frank is a different kind of patient. He came to me already terrified. Frank is 71, type 2 diabetic for 13 years, and his older brother had lost most of his central vision to diabetic retinopathy 3 years before. Frank lived under the daily assumption that his eyes were next. We started him on the same nighttime protocol, about 3/4 of a cup of frozen blueberries, no smoothie, just the berries, and added omega-3 rich fish twice a week. 8 months later, his ophthalmologist documented stable retinal vasculature for the first time in 3 consecutive visits. His endocrinologist also noted that his fasting blood sugar had dropped by about 14 points, which makes sense. The fiber in blueberries slows overnight glucose absorption. So here is the practical part. How much and in what form? The dose I recommend for seniors based on the available evidence is between half a cup and 1 full cup of blueberries per evening, eaten 1 to 2 hours before bed. If you're managing weight or diabetes, half a cup is plenty. If you have no metabolic issues, a full cup is fine. On fresh versus frozen, this surprises most patients. Frozen blueberries are often more nutritious than fresh. Here's why. Commercial blueberries are typically frozen within hours of harvest, at peak ripeness, when the anthocyanin content is at its highest. Fresh blueberries that have been sitting in a store for several days, then in your refrigerator for several more, can lose a meaningful portion of their antioxidant content during that time. Wild blueberries, the smaller, deeper-colored variety, have roughly twice the antioxidant content of cultivated blueberries by weight. If you can find frozen wild blueberries at your store, that's the gold standard. A few words on form. A small evening smoothie made with blueberries, unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of spinach is excellent. Blending actually makes some of the antioxidants slightly more bioavailable. What I want you to avoid is commercial blueberry juice. Most of those products have been stripped of fiber and loaded with added sugar, and the protective effect largely disappears. There's one more piece I want to be honest about because I get this question every week from this channel. If you already have diagnosed cataracts, glaucoma, or established diabetic retinopathy, blueberries do not reverse those conditions. What the evidence supports is that they slow further progression and protect the photoreceptor and ganglion cells you still have. The earlier you start, the more there is to protect. 3 quick myth corrections before I close. First, supplements do not replace whole food. The eye vitamin pills sold at the pharmacy contain isolated lutein and zeaxanthin, but they cannot replicate the synergistic effect of anthocyanins, vitamin C, fiber, and pterostilbene working together in their natural matrix. Food first, supplements second. Second, frozen is not inferior to fresh. I just walked you through why frozen is often better. Don't feel guilty about the freezer aisle. Third, blueberries are not too sweet for diabetics. Their glycemic index is roughly 53, the fiber moderates the glucose response, and they're consistently recommended by registered dietitians as one of the safer fruits for people managing blood sugar. The companion stack, what to eat alongside the blueberries to multiply the effect, comes down to 4 things. Omega-3 from fatty fish, walnuts, or flaxseed. The eyes, retina contains some of the highest DHA concentration in the body. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, collards for additional lutein and zeaxanthin at dinner. Eggs, the yolk delivers lutein and zeaxanthin in an unusually bioavailable form. And limiting blue light exposure in the hour before bed, the same hour your blueberries are doing their work, your retina should not be staring into a phone screen. Nothing I have said here replaces medical advice. If you have already been diagnosed with macular degeneration, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, or are on blood thinners, talk to your eye doctor before changing your routine. Bilberry extract supplements specifically can have mild anticoagulant effects, so if you're on warfarin or apixaban, that's a real conversation to have. If you've been worried about your eyes, and at our age many of us are even when we don't say it out loud, leave a comment below with 2 things. Whether anyone in your family has had macular degeneration, cataracts, or glaucoma, and what time of day you currently eat your fruit. I read every comment, and where I can, I write back with something specific that might help. Take care of your eyes. They are the only ones you get.